Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to online class of English first of class third. Hope you all are doing great at your home. Students, in my previous video, I have completed your lesson number 5. As you all know, your unit test exams are coming. In this video, I am going to start your revision. First of all, I will give you revision of lesson number first. So, not further delay, take out your book and open lesson number first. Here's your first chapter, and your chapter is the sentence. So first of all, the definition of sentence is here. A sentence is not an order group of word which make complete sense. So sentence एक order है, group है words का जो एक complete sense बताता है हमें. And we had read the part of the sentence here. Every sentence divided into two parts, the subject and the predicate. First naming part is called the subject part and the doing part is called the predicate. So now come on the exercise. First exercise is here. Your first exercise revision. I am going to start. To separate the following sentence into subject and predicate. Your first question is the herd of the cattle is grazing. So students, some of the students will write a herd. So it is incomplete subject. So you all have to put a herd of cattle is grazing. Okay. So this is the complete sentence into subject and predicate. Now next, the teacher gave us homework. So the teacher is the subject part, gave us homework is the predicate part. Third, the clock ticks all the day long. The clock is the subject and the ticks all day long is the predicate part. Fourth, there is a deer in the park. So the subject is there is a deer. Students, some of the students have written in his or her book there as a subject, but it is wrong. There is a deer is full is here, you can see this full is the subject and the rest of the sentence is the predicate part. So all have to write the subject, there is a deer. Okay. Now next, fifth, they solved the sums quickly. Subject is they and the rest of predicate. So in this way I have written all the subject and predicate I have given in your first exercise. Okay, in my previous video I have already completed it. So revision, you have to, how you have to do the revision, you all have to write only questions of this exercise A. After that you have to separate yourself subject and predicate. If this question will come in your exam, so there is no need to write the question, you all have to only write subject and predicate in this way. Okay, in this way you have to mark here in your answer sheet, you have to write here subject and predicate in this way, and first question answer you have to separate in this way. Okay, so in this way you all have to complete your first question. Now second page, B question. Look at the following group of words, tick if it is sentence and cross out if not. So students, if there will be a sentence, then how we will identify that is a sentence? That sentence has a complete sense. अगर complete sense होता है sentence का तो वो sentence होता है, और अगर नहीं होता किसी भी group of words का sense complete नहीं होता तो वो incomplete कहलाता है. So in this way we have to put cross and write. Your first question is to the west. So here is not a complete sense, so you have to put here cross. Okay, same as next, up the hill, cross. Drink cold water, cross, not complete sense. He sang a song, right. Book is mine, wrong. He flying a kite, right. We traveled to where, so it is wrong. Children played in the park, right. She helps everyone, right. India is my country, right. Okay, I hope you all get it. So how you have to do the revision of this question? You all have to write only question of this exercise, and then answer you have to write yourself after understanding it. Okay, now C part. Match the correct predicate with the given subject to make complete sense. Your first is my father. Here you can see is reading a newspaper. Students, if matching will come in your exam, you all have to write the numbers or the answer in front of the question. या तो आपको केवल नंबर लिखने हैं जैसे हमने यहाँ पे लिखे हुए हैं, या फिर आपको जैसे फादर का आंसर क्या है, माय फादर का आंसर ये है, तो आपको माई फादर के सामने यही आंसर लिखना है, ठीक है, ये वाला. Here you can see is reading the news. Okay, so in this way you all have to do this, match the following. Now second, the kite flew high in the air. Okay, our class went for a picnic. Rahul and I are good friends. She is a nurse. The barber cut my hair. A hungry tiger is a dangerous animal. This book, eighth, you can see this book is very interesting. Diwali is the festival of lights. The horse and the dog are main best friend. Are men's. Now I hope you all get it. Now next page. Here complete the following sentences by filling the subject part. Your first is Dash is confident about her performance. So here you have to fill subject Sunita. Okay, now second, Dash is a wild animal, tiger. Third, cricket has 11 players. Fourth, tricolor is the national flag of India. Fifth, elephant has a long trunk. So this you have to learn. Okay, all answers you have to learn and then write in the blanks. Now joy drill. Here this you have to rearrange the words to make a complete sentence. Here one picture is also giving you. In the place of picture you have to write the name of the picture. Okay, is red. Here is a rose. The rose is red. Same as second, children are like to play with balloons. Third, the cat is running after the mouse. Fourth, the sun shines in the sky. Some of the students, when I have checked the copies, not this the is not written. Okay, so you all have to write the sun shines in the sky. Okay, next, fish swim in the water. Now sixth, birds build their nest in trees. Seventh, sheep gives us wool. Eighth, we have 10 fingers. Okay, so students, your lesson number first exercise revision is over. In my next video I will give you lesson number 2 exercise revision. Hope you all get it. If you have any problem you can ask to ma'am in your live classes. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day. I will meet you in my next video.